I'm Yoko. Today I'll be showing how to make watermelon basket. This is easy and fun and perfect for parties and gatherings. So let's dive in. So let's start cutting the watermelon crosswise. I'm going to use just half of it. I'm going to cut off the bottom to help stabilize the watermelon. Let's put this bottom slice aside. I'm going to score the edge of the watermelon using the tip of the knife, and I'm going to go all the way around. Let's flip it, and let's do the same thing on the bottom side too. You might have to go around a few times to remove the flesh from the skin. Now let's remove the skin. I'm just going to cut the flesh in squares, but you can cut into sticks or making a watermelon balls. Cut the way you like. Now let's make the basket. Let's use the watermelon skin that I took the flesh out. I'm going to place the bottom slice on the bottom. This is going to be the bottom of the basket. And I'm going to serve the watermelon chunks in a basket. And that's it. It's easy and a fun way to serve the watermelon. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.